Hi, I'm Mr. Durana. I'm an instructional assistant in third grade Marshall Elementary. This activity is called Playdough Math. For this activity, your child's going to need their number cards, and they're going to need their Play-Doh. Have your child choose a number card and tell them to make that number of Play-Doh balls. For example, if I draw the number 3, and then I need to make 3 Play-Doh balls. 1, 2, 3. Have your child build the digit from the Play-Doh as well. 3. After you prompt your child to count the Play-Doh balls with their fingers, 1, 2, 3. This activity practices number recognition, one-on-one correspondence, and fine motor skills.